Hi guys! Today we are learning how to remove background noise in iMovie. First, unlock your phone and open the iMovie app. Once the app opens, you'll be ready to create a new editing project. Let's import the video you want to clean up. Start a new project and choose the movie option. Select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Create Movie. Your selected media will now be imported into the editing timeline. Once your video appears in the timeline, tap on the clip to open the editing tools. You'll now see different options available for editing your video. This is where you can make changes to your audio as well. Next, tap Detach to separate the audio from the video clip. After that, open the available audio controls to adjust how the sound is processed. This gives you more control over reducing unwanted background sound. Use the available audio options to reduce unwanted background noise. After that, tap the volume button and lower the audio level if necessary to make distracting sounds less noticeable. Preview the result and continue adjusting until you're happy with the final sound. And that's how you can reduce background noise in iMovie to make your videos sound cleaner. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more easy step-by-step tutorials.